Silver just doubled in price in a single year, from $30 an ounce to over $70, and most people missed it entirely. Not because the information wasn't available, because they were looking at the wrong things: Bitcoin, stocks, gold, while the quietest wealth transfer of the decade was happening in a market almost nobody was watching. Here's what's coming next, and why the window to act is closing faster than you think. Stop thinking of silver as a metal. Start thinking of it as infrastructure. Every solar panel, every electric vehicle, every AI data center being built right now, they all require silver. Not as an option, as a physical necessity. There is no substitute that matches its conductivity. This isn't an investment story. It's a supply and demand collision that's been building for 5 straight years. And in 2026, it's about to become impossible to ignore. Here's the crisis hiding in plain sight. The global silver market has run a deficit for 5 consecutive years. Demand has exceeded supply every single year. The 2025 shortfall alone was estimated at 230 million ounces, nearly a full year of global mine production. Gone, consumed, not replaced. And here's why this can't be fixed quickly. 70% of silver isn't mined from silver mines. It's a byproduct of copper, zinc, and gold mining, which means even when silver prices double, producers can't simply dig up more. The supply chain doesn't work that way. Meanwhile, demand is accelerating from 3 directions simultaneously. Solar panels now consume 261 million ounces of silver annually, up from 11% of demand in 2014 to nearly 30% today. Electric vehicles use up to 50 grams of silver each, 79% more than a traditional car. And AI data centers are building out electrical infrastructure at a scale the world has never seen. This is why the price moved, and this is why it hasn't finished moving. Person A sees silver at $70 and thinks they missed it. 6 months ago, it was $30, so the opportunity is gone. They wait for it to drop back. They watch. Person B understands what's driving the price and asks a different question. Not where has it been, but what happens when solar panel production doubles again by 2030? What happens when China's export restrictions on silver, implemented January 1st, 2026, fully tighten global supply? Bank of America forecasts silver averaging $56 in 2026, with potential peaks near $65. The most dangerous moment in any opportunity isn't when the price is high. It's when the price has moved just enough that it feels too late, but not enough that it actually is. Silver is at that exact point right now. The energy transition is not a forecast, it's already happening. The panels are being built, the cars are being manufactured, the data centers are being powered. Every single one of them needs silver that the market cannot produce fast enough. The question was never whether this was coming. The question is whether you'll be positioned before the rest of the world stops asking questions and starts buying.